Are you looking for an affordable, compact, and efficient way to get around town? The DYU C3 14-inch electric bike might just be the perfect choice for budget-conscious riders. Make sure to watch the video till the end, as there are some important aspects of who this bike is perfect for. Let's dive into what makes this bike stand out in the world of electric bicycles. Unboxing the DYU C3 is a straightforward experience. The bike comes mostly assembled, requiring you to attach just a few parts like the pedals and rear light. They even include a set of tools to help with assembly, though these tools are not the sturdiest. For a more secure fit, especially when tightening the pedals, we recommend using a higher-end wrench if you have one. Overall, the unboxing and assembly process is simple and hassle-free, making it accessible even for beginners. The unboxing experience was pleasant, as everything was nicely packed with protective foams. DYU gets an A+ for their packaging and shipping the unit. One of the key features of the DYU C3 is its folding design. This makes it incredibly easy to store and transport, whether you're tucking it into a car trunk or stashing it in a small apartment. It's all about convenience without compromising on functionality. Powered by a 350-watt motor and a 36-volt, 7.5 ampere-hour battery, the DYU C3 delivers smooth and reliable performance. According to DYU, it offers a pedal-assisted range of up to 21 miles or a pure electric range of 15.5 miles, perfect for daily commutes or short leisure rides. However, it's important to note that the actual mileage may vary depending on the user's weight and other factors. Another interesting feature we should talk about is the throttle system in the DYU C3. Instead of using the typical button system for electric assist, the DYU employs a throttle mechanism similar to a motorbike handlebar. Simply twist the right side handlebar and the electric power will kick in immediately. I really like this feature and found it quite intriguing. On the right handlebar, you will also see your remaining battery charge once the bike is turned on. Additionally, there is a cruise button. To use it, simply twist the throttle to achieve your desired speed, press the cruise button, and the motor will maintain that speed without the need for pedaling. Pressing the button again will deactivate cruise mode. The same button is also used to control the front light. Hold it for 3 seconds and the front light will turn on. On the handlebar, you'll also find the usual components: a bell to alert people of your presence, a simple power button to turn the bike on or off, a reflective light for increased visibility and safety, and left and right brake levers for the front and rear brakes. As for charging the bike, it comes with an integrated battery that cannot be removed for charging. Instead, there is a port located on the bike near the pedals for plugging in the charger provided by DYU. Therefore, make sure you have a power outlet available in your bike storage area so you can charge it when the battery is low. Safety is a top priority with the DYU C3. It's equipped with front and rear disc brakes for dependable stopping power, and front and rear lights to keep you visible during nighttime rides. For a bike priced around $300, the automatic brake light is a fantastic feature. It activates every time you pull the brake lever. Also, holding the brake lever for a prolonged period activates a blinking brake light animation. A very thoughtful safety feature by DYU. The front light is also excellent for nighttime riding, providing an added layer of safety. To activate the front light, simply press the cruise button for 3 seconds and it will turn on. Designed for comfort and stability, this bike features a unique low-step frame and wide 14-inch tires. It's perfect for navigating city streets or exploring nature. The C3 ensures a smooth and enjoyable ride, and its compact body caters to riders of various heights. Need to carry your belongings? The DYU C3's rear rack offers decent cargo space, and you can even add a front basket for extra storage. perfect for little errands or weekend adventures. For peace of mind, the DYU C3 comes with a 2-year warranty on the frame and a 1-year warranty on the battery and motor. Now, let's talk about who this bike is ideal for. I recommend this bike for riders around 5 feet 7 inches tall or shorter for optimal smooth operation. Its compact size, designed for portability, might feel awkward for taller individuals. Additionally, we found the ideal weight to be around 170 pounds or less. If you fall within these parameters, the C3 performs beautifully, especially on flat terrain. However, if you're over the recommended height or weight, or if you live in a hilly area, you might experience some challenges with the motor's power. On flatter surfaces, though, it's a dependable and efficient ride. In conclusion, the DYU C3 is an excellent choice for budget-conscious riders seeking a compact, comfortable, and reliable electric bike. It's well suited for commuting or leisure and offers great value for the price. Keep in mind the height, weight, and terrain considerations to ensure the best experience. Overall, it's a fantastic budget folding bike for a child or someone 5 feet 7 inches tall or shorter with a weight of around 170 pounds or less. I highly recommend it. As always, thank you for checking out our review. Discover more about these fantastic products through the links in the description down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell. See you in the next one.